Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive. Stock number X214XX. Low miles, only 19,000 miles, and this one owner comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Graphite Gray Metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and our exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Terrain is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and this is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 28 on the highway. And approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.